By the end of this video, I hope to have a new plasma table. So a little while back, I had this idea that I wanted a plasma table, and I was picking up some parts at Rural King, and I ran across these. I'd seen the water trough sitting out front, and I thought that'd make a perfect table. So I went ahead and bought one. My idea for it is to make like a grill across here. I've seen some that fit over a barrel, and I just thought, you know, this will be great because it's just a little bigger. But the first thing we need to do is we need to make a cart, get this thing up in the air. I went ahead and cut some steel and made a cart for it, which I went ahead, got welded up, painted, and let's get that thing on there. We do need to get some casters on it as well. I went ahead and ordered some of these casters off of Amazon. Go ahead and get these bolts out. And let's get some of these on. Okay, next thing I want to address is these holes in the top. I could have just welded some plates over top of them, but I did find these online. I thought they'd be real useful. Little black caps. Let's go ahead and put those in. Perfect. That should make a nice little stand. Now we need to get the tub up on there. And line it up a little better. And moves around pretty good. All right, now that the stand's done, I got this up on here. I picked out some like 2.5 angle iron. I believe it's like 1/4 inch thick. I have some 1/4 inch flat bar and 2 inch wide as well. And that is going to go in between these spots right there. And I'll put some slots in it. I'll just weld the two pieces together, create some slots. Then I'm going to use this 1/8 inch thick 1.5 flat bar for my slats across here, which I'll just cut them to fit. I have my clamps for my weld table, so I went ahead and marked this off. I'm going to have to put them on the back side, but I got to drill these out to 5/8 holes, and that'll give me some areas where I can clamp some of the pieces down to the table. I'll just go every 2 inches, and we'll mark this off. And I already marked these. I was going to do these at 19 1/4. I'm going to weld them onto the ends here. So let's get all this cut. Oh yeah, I'm going to round these corners off too. But we'll get this cut, get the holes drilled out, and then run it over and get it welded. All right, now that I got them holes drilled, I'm just going to chamfer these edges with the step drill. Alright, onto my cross brackets. As you can see, I've already marked across here. I had found my center, and I decided I was going to end up putting these every 2 inches. But I am going to go a 1/2 inch into these for the slots. That should make me even at the top, hopefully. So let's go ahead and mark this piece, and then get over to the vise and cut some slots in here. I'll just cut my slots right down to there. And those will weld on just like so. I'll make another line there so when I mount that, because I want this bar down a little bit, because I don't want it getting hit with the plasma cutter as much as these, because these are going to be more disposable. This will hang down just a little bit, so this will stay down, and then I can put my slats right in there, and it should be right here to the top. Might have to adjust with the grind or with the cutoff wheel a little bit. That should be good. So let's go ahead and round these corners out, make it look a little better, and we'll get it over and weld it. Okay, got this welded up, went ahead and marked the slats, the length that they need, and got these all cut. So now we have the moment of truth. Hopefully these will all fit in there pretty good. Get this in there. Let's see, there we go. This is looking so good, and I think I might have these cut pretty good. Get that in there. Perfect. All right, I wanted to grab a straight edge. Go ahead right here. Looking pretty good. That should work. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. There's another thing I wanted to check with this, and that is I want to check my slots here. Easy enough. Get that there. Everything should be able to clamp down. Nice. That will work. All right, so overall, I'm really happy with the way this came out. The slats work pretty good. I'm able to pull these out real easy if I need to replace them. Of course, you know, they're laid flat across there. I'm real happy about putting the holes in here so I can use my clamps as well. And you got them on each side, so in case I just got a clamp, you know, on both sides. The cart was super easy to build. I'll be able to roll it around. I have a really small shop, so that'll really help out. I may or may not put some water in the bottom of this. I will be testing this in the near future. We'll see how that works. I did have a... Ouch. Yeah, let's run into that. I did have this spigot that I might put in the side back here, and that way if I put some water in, I can drain it out real easy. It'll help me out. Let's see, some of the other things, it's just really simple, like grill type piece where you have your 2 pieces angle iron, again, you know, your cross bars with the slots in them, and your slats. So it doesn't get any easier than that. And that makes me happy. So I hope you guys got something from this. Maybe, you know, you have some of your own projects. You might put those down in the comments if you've done something similar. But if it helped you out, maybe give me a like. And as always, thanks for watching.